Slow money's better than no money, as they say, you feel me? Sometimes doing things the right way might be a little boring. The money might come in a lot slower. And shit just might be different, a lot slower pace than a lifestyle that you used to live in. But sometimes in life you have to live that lifestyle when you got people that you care about more than yourself. See, if you don't find something to stand for, you better find something to die for. And I'm just here for my kids. Yeah, living this lifestyle and shit, it ain't the funnest and shit, but it's safe. I'm at home every night with my kids, with them every morning, and I get to see them grow through life. I made a decision once I had my kids that everything else that I used to do is non-existent anymore. And from that day, I became a father. And when I became a father, I take that shit serious, as in I'm in my kid's life every day. I financially pay for everything. I take care of the mother, and I provide